just love staring at this view. I look so wrecked. I just woke up and I haven't felt this great in a really long time, and that's why I'm vlogging. But it's currently 7 a.m. I just got out of bed, freshened up and stuff, and I'm feeling so good today that I want to do something nice. Today we're going to be healthy throughout the day. That's the goal. We're going to be healthy and productive today. So yeah, ignore my frizzy hair and baggy and puffy eyes right now. But it's currently 7 a.m. Let's go make some green tea. I'm not gonna have coffee right now or tea. We're gonna have some green tea. Let's go. I love icing my face in the mornings. It's the best thing to do. I just changed into my workout outfit. We're gonna be working out in my room, but my room's a mess. We're gonna get to cleaning that after the workout. Also, I don't know why, but I like working out in my room than working out on the terrace. Also, because it's still sunny, so I can't be under the sun. But we're gonna work out in my room. I'm gonna be shifting the bed to the side and stuff, and then laying down the mat. So yeah, let's go. Also, I like working out in my room because there are mirrors here, and there's no mirror on the terrace. So yeah. Workout done, but I want to know if anyone else deals with this, where after your workout your hair and your skin looks amazing. I know the skin does, but the hair, my hair looks really nice after a workout. We're gonna test it also, guys. My skin's oily because I just applied sunscreen, but I want to know if anyone else deals with the same thing that I do. But I love it. I love how my hair looks after a workout. We're gonna see. I hope it does work out now that I'm speaking about it, but it usually does, so we'll see. But I'm gonna do my workout. I'm gonna do a Chloe Things workout. I'm gonna do 2 of her videos, maybe 1 or 2, and then the rest of the workout is just gonna be jump ropes. So let's get this. My freaking god, I'm dripping in sweat, and I don't sweat usually. Shit, this workout is amazing, guys. I'm doing a 3-week weight loss challenge. She did the Chloe's yesterday or something, and it's actually pretty good. I'm just like in set 1 still, but you guys, you see that? Woo! I just got done with my workout. Look at my skin. Feels so great. I'm having some watermelon juice now, one of my favorite ones. You know, the summer vibes. But I noticed one thing, that I don't sweat at all while I go for a jog. Like, I don't sweat at all. But when I do my home workouts and stuff, dang, dude, fuck the jogging now. But I barely sweat otherwise also. But yeah, now, see, I was talking about my hair. My hair is kind of sitting well. I think I'll just brush it out, and then I think my hair will look nice. But of course I'm going to wash it. But you get what I was saying, that after my workout, usually after sweating or doing anything, my hair just sits right. I don't know, that's weird. But yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my watermelon juice and see you in a bit.
Oh my god! Wow!
Such a good mood, but I'm gonna get to cleaning my room and then I'm gonna go for a shower. So let's get that done. So this is the before. This is still fine. All my bags are a mess, so I'm gonna sort that out and then that. So my cupboard is done. This is the most I could do. I don't care about those. So all my little kitty bags are here. Okay, that was a weird voice. Anyways, now I'm gonna continue cleaning this and then getting my room back to normal, and then gonna go for a shower, and I'll see you guys for breakfast. This is my guys, this shit is amazing. You guys need to have it. It's amazing. I love it. This is so filling. It's not a joke. I'm done. Like, I can't eat any more. I just got back and these are the amount of medicines they have given me to eat. Hopefully this will work. This is my last try when it comes to my skin, and the doctor's here in Bangalore. After this, I think, I don't know, I'm just gonna let it be. But anyways, now I'm gonna chill. It's currently like, I think it's 5:30 or 6, and I'm gonna have coffee. I haven't had coffee in a really long time, so we're gonna have coffee, chill for a bit. I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do. Come, let's go. Come. Oops. So I'm sitting in my balcony right now. This is one of my favorite spots to sit at in the mornings and in the evenings. It's so peaceful. But right now I'm actually obsessed with doing this thing. So I'm trying to go on like the healthy route, you know, with when it comes to food especially. So I started to do this thing where I've been following certain people on Instagram and YouTube where they eat healthy stuff. So I'm trying to do like this meal preparation thing. So I have this entire book for it, and I found out like 3 really yummy meal ideas. One of them was the chia pudding, which is amazing. I think you all should try it out. But there's so many more that I'm trying. And then in the night, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have I'm gonna start questioning myself every day on what did I do today, what did I eat today, just to like, you know, just to reflect on myself every day, and so that it hits me that I'm not doing anything, so that I start doing things the way I wanted to and stuff like that. So I'm looking out for questions for that as well right now. Feels good. So this is my dinner. I will see you guys in a bit. Guys, that was amazing. I freaking love that. I took second serving by the way as well. There's no harm in eating this. And yeah, it's amazing. Now I'm gonna have some dark chocolate and then get ready for bed. Chocolate. I forgot. I need to eat a bunch of medicines before I go to sleep. I'm having 2 medicines and 1 syrup with. Anyways, they expect me to understand what this is and what this is. How do you expect me to understand? Please help me. So it is that time where we answer those questions I was talking about. I'm going to read out the questions. They're very basic. It might sound stupid to some people, but this is basically to, like, you know, reflect on yourself at the end of the day, to see where you're going wrong or what you did. They're very important, I feel, and they're just very basic questions. So So the questions are, what time did I wake up at? I'm gonna answer them as we go by this. So I woke up at 6:30, exactly like how I planned it. I woke up at 6:30. What time did I get out of bed? I got out of bed at 7. Did I make my bed? No. And that's something I want to get around doing, because I know it feels really nice when you yourself make your bed. The thing is, I have my dog sleeping with me on my bed at times, so I have to change my bed sheet every day. So that's kind of a task, but we'll fix that soon. What did I eat today? I am so happy with how I ate today, and I'm surprised and shocked that I did it. For someone that it's tough to explain, but anyways, I'm so glad I ate healthy today. We ate healthy throughout from the start. I had green tea, a banana, then we had a juice after my workout, then we had chia pudding, which is very healthy, and then we had what did I have? Then for lunch I had Thai curry and rice, which was pretty limited, so that's fine. And then what did I have? Then I had coffee, which I'm not going to do every day. It's barely on few days only. And then I had papaya salad. So we're doing amazing. I just hope I stick by this for a long time, but let's see. What exercise did I do today? We did Chloe Ting's workout. We did 2 videos of her, which summed up to I think 30 to 35 minutes. And then I did my jump rope. So we exercised really well today. I loved it. Did I take my medicines today? My medicine thingy, bijingi started today, so I will be taking it sometime. What did I do to educate myself today? Nothing. I don't think I really did anything to educate myself, which I need to start focusing on because it's needed. What form of self-care did I do today? I think for me it would be working out and just eating healthy. I think that's a part of self-care for me today. How do I feel today? I feel amazing. I'm so happy with how today's day turned out to be for me, because I haven't felt this way in a really long time. Ever since this year started, I feel like my mental health is literally all over the place. So today was great. Woke up feeling amazing, and it just went the way I wanted to go. So, I woke up choosing health and wealth. I don't know about wealth, but yeah, it went the way I wanted to. So I'm really happy about that. When did I go to bed? You could answer this the next morning or just before going to sleep. Mention the time, repeat the questions, answer them every day. You're good to go. So I feel like this is a really nice thing I want to start doing every day. So yeah, those are the questions. I'm really happy. Now I think I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in another one. I think this is a restart button for me mostly. I think I've been saying that from the past 3 videos, but I think this is it. I don't know. Let's see. I hope. Stay tuned for the next one. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.